until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a shower-producing waterspouts was located 7 nautical miles north of Huron, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, public. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sandusky Bay.
I was literally about to take off for bowling practice, and you scared the bejesus out of me, KHB97. Thank you for that. Anyways, yeah, there you go.